Yesterday I said to a person to not throw garbage on the road. That person said to me to mind my own business. I said to the person to be more mindful of the environment. That person in return said something to himself and walked off. Did you notice something unusual in this narrative? Did I use some word too many times? You can rewind it and listen to it. If you listened to my narrative carefully, you might have noticed I used the word said several times. Wasn't that awkward? Was I able to convey the actual emotion behind each said? Are you doing something similar, using the same word again and again and repeating it in your sentences? Doesn't that make your writing or maybe whatever you're speaking too monotonous and boring? Think about the expression. Think about what is it that the person is saying and what is the feeling behind it. And the moment you understand that, you will notice that each expression is different and it needs to be communicated in a different way. You can use different words to say said. Ladies and gentlemen, said is dead. It doesn't create the same impact. Now listen to my narrative again. Yesterday, I requested a person to not throw garbage on the road. He shouted at me and told me to mind my own business. I politely asked him to be more mindful of the environment. He simply mumbled and walked off. Did it sound better this time? The only difference was that this time I used different words instead of said, and that helped me communicate the correct emotion and the feeling to you all. Let me show you the 4 words I used. Requested, shouted, asked, mumbled. There are hundreds of words you can use for said. So next time, instead of using said, why not use any of these words? It's simple, right? Watch out for more such videos. And until then, don't just say it, express it.